This is not you. This is the person that has been interfering. This could be a mother figure or it's some type of love interest. There's somebody here that's been interfering. And that's why your person wasn't putting in the work. This is the codependency right there. Yeah, it could have been a home situation, family situation here. This is why there was no stability. See what I'm saying? Look at that, Cancer. Codependency, I told you. This is not you. This is not you. This is the person that they feel stuck in some type of codependent situation. Could be family or they live, it's like, it could be a family member that they live with, someone that they help, a love interest that they live with. It's something pertaining to home, family. Tell me more. Yeah, and this is why in the past they were moving slow with you, but they don't want to move slow with you anymore. Look at that. Could be dealing with a Gemini, but this is why there was an imbalance. There was somebody in the way. And see, they want to come back and balance things out with you. They want to heal things with you. They don't want you to be sad anymore. But they're losing hope. They don't know if they're going to be able to fix this. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aquarius. Spirit is saying that your person, they're not listening to their intuition. Yeah, because I'm telling you, they lost you for good. They're frustrated right now. They definitely want things to improve with you, Cancer. There you are. You could be dealing with another Cancer. They definitely want to move things forward with you. Tell me more. I'm telling you, there is some type of home, family. This is the problem. They're going to have to move away from this person. I'm telling y'all. There are like 2 other signs I picked up with. It's like 2, maybe 3. It's something pertaining to family. The fact that I'm even seeing the 4s like that, yeah, it's family related. But I'm seeing that this person is coming out of being frustrated. But see, look at that. They're back and forth because in the past they were being sneaky. They were. And they're trying to make changes. Yep. And they're wanting to rush in really fast. Tell me more. Okay. Because they do want happiness with you, but they're afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around because they kept betraying. They kept stabbing you in the back. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but they're afraid that you don't want to have a commitment with them because they started a lot of conflict, a lot of drama. Tell me more. And they had you waiting. They had you waiting on them. And they're frustrated. And see, this is why right now they're not taking a lead. For some of you, this person could be arguing with someone else. There could just be a lot of like drama going on their end. So if you're not really hearing from this person, take it as a blessing just for right now. Because you don't need that drama. Like let them go through that. Okay? Why is the 3 of Cups here? Look at that. 3 of Swords with the Hermit. Somebody was dealing with a Virgo. But I'm seeing here, I'm telling you, there was a third party here. There's some type of third party energy. And this person knows that they broke your heart, but this was their lesson. They want to come back and fix things with you. Yep, look at that. I'm telling you. They're making plans to come back. Tell me more. Look at that. They do want a new beginning with you, Cancer. But they're keeping an eye on you. They're watching. Tell me more. Yep. They're watching. They want things to improve. They don't know if you're going to be willing to take them back. But I'm seeing that they are going to free themselves from this third party situation. So if your person, you know, was dealing with like a love interest, they're going to be single. Look at that. I'm telling you, they're coming. They're coming to give you this offer. Justice. I do feel like justice was served here for someone. Could have been dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice, please. Yeah, they don't want you to cut them off. I'm telling you, this person wants to heal things with you because they left you out in the cold. But I feel like you guys have been healing anyway. But they're afraid that you don't want to have a victory with them. And this is why they're dragging their feet. The fact that I'm even seeing the 2 kings as close as they are, there was just 2 people. I'm telling you, there was some type of third party here. Could be 2 men, could be 2 women. Maybe the person that they were dealing with, if it's like a love interest situation, they could have found out that they got played as well, you know? So now it could be that they're trying to heal from feeling rejected or feeling left out in the cold. That's what I'm telling you. I'm feeling like somebody's justice was served. How this person treated you, karma came right on back. Slapped them in the face. So anyway, somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But whoever messed up, I'm telling you, they're going to come back to give you an offer here. But they're afraid you're just not going to take it. Could have been dealing with an Aries. I'm telling you, this person wants stability with you. They're just trying to figure out how to go about doing this. And it's like, because they had other options in the past, they were playing around. They feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. What are they back and forth with? The Eight of Wands. Yeah, see? They want to talk to you, but the communication is just coming in really slow. Because they're trying to decide how exactly to play this out. Like, how exactly can I, go to Cancer, and tell him or her what happened, what it is that I want. It's like right now they just don't have the strength to do that just yet. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but they're trying to clear away obstacles right now. Yeah, I'm telling you, they're coming to speak their truth to you. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Look, I'm telling you, they're going to tell you that they want to move forward with you. This person, it looks like they have learned their lesson, but I'm seeing if they're having a hard time right now because, yeah, they're realizing, how they played you, how they messed up, the things that they've said to you just out of pocket. Like, they know this. And it's like, okay, I didn't bring balance to this situation. In the past I was being a player. I don't want to be a player no more, okay? I don't want to play these games. I don't want to do the in and out. But every time they want to say something to you, they don't because they're sad. I'm telling you, they're thinking about everything that they did to you. And they feel stupid, as they should. But somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Look at that. This is your person. And y'all know it too. This is your person. Hands down. This is soulmate. Could even be a twin flame situation here. But who? I had this earlier. It was like in the beginning, like first 6 signs I did. But the king and the queen came out just like this. This is your person. Was it Pisces? I don't know. Whatever. They came out just like this. You both are mirroring each other. You have the same energy. It's like you both are sad because you both really want to be with each other, whether you want to admit it or not. Both of y'all, okay? But it's just been a lot, and it's just to the point where whoever messed up, they know that they hurt you. And you're tired of giving. You're like, no, he or she needs to come correct. But y'all both really want to be with each other. So let's see. Yep, there's somebody sad because they're feeling like they're not going to have wish fulfillment with this person. But there's an offer coming in. It's like right when both of you guys not both of you, I would say the one who was done wrong, right when it's like you give up, you're healing, you're moving forward with your life, you're out there having fun, mingling with people, that's when this person is coming back. Because I feel like they're picking up on you. You're going to get an offer from them. But they feel like the seeds that they planted with you is just not going to grow. Yeah, they're not content with how they left things with you at all, Cancer. Tell me more. They need to express their love. They're going to come back and give you this secure offer. I feel like it's an offer of commitment. They just feel like your guard is up. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Tell me more. Why is the tower here? Ooh. Okay, there's going to be a shakeup. Something's going to happen. And it's going to cause this person to walk away from whatever that third party situation is. They're going to cut it off, but this person is afraid that, yes, they're going to, even though they had a tower moment with this other individual, they're also having an epiphany. They know who they're supposed to be with, but they're afraid that it's a little too late. Like, you're done with them. They're feeling like if they come back, you're going to end up walking away from them. You're going to end up cutting them off. Somebody could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. See? Somebody's needing to walk away from something toxic. Could be dealing with a Capricorn. Yeah, because it doesn't bring balance towards the both of you. And somebody isn't being positive here. They can have you back. They're afraid that things may not improve, and that's why they're not talking to you. This is why they're keeping things to themselves. Again, somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But see, they know that, again, you're focusing on you, and they're frustrated because they want this new start with you. But they feel like it's not going to happen. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. Tell me more. Yeah, they're feeling like they're not going to take this offer. And so right now, they're trying to decide what exactly to do. See what I'm saying? Decisions. They're trying to figure this out, Cancer. Tell me more. And they can't sleep. They're up every night thinking about you because they want a future with you. But they feel like because of like a family situation, home situation, you're not going to take this offer. They feel like there's no security here and you're just going to let them go. But I'm feeling like they're going to cut off whatever this situation is. They're going to cut it off in order to come back towards you to make things right. You to make things right. You to make